Hello, good morning everyone. Today, let us discuss about the chemical properties of alkyl halide. In that, first one, nucleophilic substitution reaction. Nucleophilic substitution reaction. Today, we will discuss about the nucleophilic substitution reaction in alkyl halide as well as aryl halide. In which condition the reaction takes place fast? Everything we will discuss now today. Okay. First, for nucleophilic substitution reaction, I am taking one example: ethyl chloride. Ethyl chloride. Ethyl chloride reaction with aqueous NaOH. Otherwise, you can take aqueous KOH. In aqueous NaOH or KOH, OH which can act as a nucleophile. This nucleophile substitute the chlorine from alkyl group. Substitute. So then formation of CH3, CH2, OH plus NaCl or KCl. If you take aqueous NaOH, NaCl it will become. If you take aqueous KOH, KCl it will become. Okay. So now some more example we'll discuss for all models. Okay. Now we'll discuss about the alkyl halide reaction rate. Means I am telling here, for example, here I am taking secondary propyl chloride, means 2-chloropropane. 2-chloropropane I am taking. This is if I reaction with aqueous NaOH. Then formation of OH plus. OH comes to the Cl plus, Cl goes to the OH plus. Then nucleophilic substitution reaction takes place. Then answer CH3, CH3, OH. I am taking tertiary also. Tertiary plus aqueous NaOH. So same, OH replaces the chlorine. Then formation of tertiary butyl alcohol will be formed. Means you observe the reaction 1, reaction 2, reaction 3. In this 3 reaction, which of the following reaction takes place? Speed. Mean faster. Which one you know? Third one. Why? Because tertiary butyl chloride cleavage is fast. Why? Because when tertiary butyl chloride cleavage from here more stable, tertiary butyl carbocation is formed. That's why this reaction fast takes place. In this 3 reaction, the reactivity order is that 3 greater than 2 greater than 1. Okay. And this reactivity we can say according to halogen groups also. Means one example. For example, see carbon to fluorine, carbon to chlorine, carbon to bromine and carbon to iodine. I am taking aqueous NaOH. See, you think all are primary or all are secondary or all are tertiary, whatever may be. Which reaction is fast? First one or second one, third or fourth? Fourth one reaction is fast. Why? Because carbon to iodine bond length is high. Bond length high means bond cleavage is very fast. Bond energy low. So that's why the fourth one reaction takes place first. And very important reaction. This is a completely competitive level. I'll see. Guess. Now what is the answer it will become here? Guess. You are thinking, already told us, where is the chlorine is there? There only OH attached. That only you are thinking? It's absolutely wrong. 100% wrong. See, this type of compounds are very important. You know, competitive level mean, what is that? You know, abnormal properties say competitive level question. If you know that thing, we can crack the competitive bus. Okay. Now, in this situation, what happened? You know, first condition, chlorine cleavages. First condition. Then here, carbocation will be formed. But carbocation is what position? Secondary position. But adjacent tertiary carbon is there. Means the carbon is attaches to 3 carbons. Tertiary carbon is there. So that's why this hydride shift, the carbocation comes to the tertiary position. Understood? So then OH is attached to the tertiary carbon. Why? Because tertiary carbon is more stable. So answer is this is the answer. That's why you don't get confused. Okay? Right. So next we'll discuss about the nucleophilic substitution reaction in a aryl halide. See, I am taking aryl halide. This is the chlorobenzene. Reaction with the aqueous NaOH. Now you guess, reactions takes place? No, never. Why? Chlorine is attached to direct benzene. Means OH does not substitute the chlorine from here. Why sir? So today those reasons we'll discuss. So this reaction is no answer. No. Yes sir, in book they are given answer. Given in the condition. What condition? At 623 Kelvin temperature and 300 atmosphere pressure only the reaction is cleavages takes place. Okay. Then answer it will become phenol plus NaCl will be formed. So normal condition this reaction is not takes place. May be important. For example, see in chlorobenzene electron withdrawing groups are present like NO2. Like NO2 withdrawing groups are present. Then the reaction is takes place compared to first reaction quickly. Fast reactions takes place. Why? Because NO2 withdrawing group which is weakening the bond of carbon to chlorine. So that's why at low temperature only, okay, at 448 Kelvin temperature only the reactions takes place. Okay. So now answer what will be from para-nitrophenol it will become. Understood? So now we will discuss the important 4 points. Question is like this. Why aryl halides are not undergoes nucleophilic substitution reaction? Give reason. Those 4 points we will discuss now. In that, first one, this is aryl halide, otherwise chlorobenzene. Aryl halide, carbon, chlorine. See, these are aryl halides are not undergoes nucleophilic substitution reaction because first point is that see halogen is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon. sp2 hybridized carbon means S character is high. S character increases, electronegativity of carbon also increases. So here the carbon electronegativity increases. So that's why which can hold or pull the electron pair of the electron bond pair of carbon to chlorine. The electron bond pair of carbon to chlorine electron which will be pull. Understood? So that's why this bond we cannot break. The first condition. And second condition is that you know this chlorobenzene undergoes plus R resonance effect. Plus R resonance effect. In the plus R resonance effect, chlorine to benzene partial double bond will be formed. Partial double bond will be formed. So that's why the double bond we are unable to break. Okay. Due to this partial double bond, the carbon to chlorine bond length is there 169 pm. 169 pm is there. So that's why bond length decreases. The bond we cannot cleavage properly. Understood? That one reason. Okay. And another reason is that this is the third one. Another reason is that sir, this bond we cannot break. We can break by using the high temperature, high pressure. If you break, what happened? You know, the chlorine will be go completely along with the bond pair. Then phenyl carbocation will be formed. Phenyl carbocation. The phenyl carbocation least stable compared to maximum all carbocations. Compared to maximum all carbocations, least stable. So that's why here the nucleophilic substitution reaction is not takes place. And the last thing is that, you see, actually nucleophile is electron rich. Benzene also electron rich. Rich arene this is. So the nucleophile is repelled by the electron rich of arene. So that's why nucleophile cannot approach to the chlorobenzene. So by these 4 reasons we can explain aryl halides not undergoes nucleophilic substitution reaction. Understood now? One question I will write here. The question is, aqueous NaOH. Now tell me, aqueous NaOH, substitute this first chlorine or this chlorine. You guess, you know the answer. Sir, already you told us that this cleavage is not possible. Then this cleavage is possible. Why? Because here chlorine is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon, less electronegativity carbon. We can break the chlorine very quickly. But here chlorine is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon. S character is more. Means electronegativity also more. So that's why we cannot break. All I told you. So here to here bond length actually 177 picometer here. So here bond length 169 picometer. So bond length is more, we can break very fast. Less, we cannot break. So now answer is OH. Cl. This is answer. Okay, understood? Okay, thank you. Bye.